The press up front. Face your chair and hold on to the vertical poles. Just like the going up front, step onto the pedal with your toes near the very back edge of the chair, toes together. Lean your body weight forward and roll your shoulders excessively on your back in order to let the spring carry you all the way up. Bend your elbows and resist gravity as the pedal goes down and press the pedal back up. Note that your spine stays straight throughout this exercise, except for maybe at the very top where you can add a thoracic extension. This is only icing on the cake and not the point of the exercise. You can also take the feet off to advance the exercise and beat the heels together 8 to 10 times. When you've finished your repetitions, standing on the pedal, carefully change your hands to the front of the poles and lean back with the center of your spine pulling back in space, not your bottom, or you will pull the chair over onto you. An instructor should always hold the chair for safety during this part of the exercise.